time to leave traffic behind. This is the HiMo H1, the award-winning folding electric bike that invites you to a better daily commute. Our biggest concern with design was providing you with both an enjoyable riding experience, but also a comfortable and convenient off-wheel experience. As the winner of the 2019 German Red Dot Design Award, the HiMo H1 folds down small, I mean really small, to about the size of a piece of A3 paper. It fits in your bag, sits next to you on the train, and is unobtrusive in the office. Rest assured, we sure didn't compromise power for portability. The A380 aluminum body weighs only 14.5 kilograms and is built for an incredibly smooth and sturdy ride. This lightweight package is powered by a 180-watt brushless DC motor, allowing you to hit speeds of 18 kilometers per hour and tackle urban terrain effortlessly. We know all commutes are different, so we designed a battery to maximize mileage while upholding our company's dedication to green energy. This rechargeable system holds 7,500 milliamp hours, which translates to a 30-kilometer range at maximum weight capacity. To aid user safety, the HiMo H1 features an ultra-bright LED headlamp, along with an LCD screen, complete with speedometer and battery indicator. On top of that, the digital brake system allows you to safely stop the vehicle with the press of a finger. So we invite you to be different, but stylish, fast and convenient, stable and green. The HiMo H1.